Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to export brushes in Krita. First, open Krita and make sure the brush you want to export is already installed in your brush presets. Then go to the top menu and click Settings, and choose Manage Resources. In newer versions of Krita, this opens the built-in resource manager where brushes, bundles, and other assets are organized. Inside the Resource Manager window, switch to the Brush Presets tab. Find the brush you want to export. If you're exporting multiple brushes, it's cleaner to create a bundle instead of exporting one by one. To do that, click Create Bundle. Give your bundle a name, description, save location, and select the brush presets you want to include with the arrow keys around the center. After selecting your brushes, click Save. Krita will generate a .bundle file, which is the official export format for sharing brushes. And that's how you export brushes in Krita. Thanks for watching.